StarLink, you have to connect your Wi-Fi to StarLink, but you got to plug it in so it'll work with your car stream. And then I can connect to my home server to do my live streaming. Stream live. This is full DVR. I can record shows, watch it, but then I can also watch live.
Georgia, and then he will be laid to rest next to his wife of 77 years, Rosalind Carter, who of course passed away in 2023. But just a beautiful ceremony, a beautiful celebration of this man's life. And
this is live, no delay. You can also, if you get a call, it will pause it and then resume after your call, so you never skip a beat. Now the reason why I do this is we do a lot of traveling. You go here, you can do live weather updates while you're driving.
High pressure building in over the Great Basin. Arctic air, cool air mass, and it came in from the high plains. Upper level low, there it is, spinning right through Arizona into northern Mexico. That's pulling away. Santa Ana winds won't be quite as strong today, but that being said, we still do have that critical fire danger area from Santa Clarita to the northern suburbs of Los Angeles, down to Riverside, all the way down to the hills and mountains of San Diego County. That's going to last through this afternoon into early tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, winds subside just a touch.
These are the speeds while I'm getting these speeds while I'm streaming.
The component will still be offshore, meaning compressional heating as it gets down and it dries out. So elevated fire risk for tomorrow afternoon through Saturday morning. That's what we're watching. As for the high wind warning, still out here, darker shades of blue. 60 to 80 mile per hour gusts are a possibility here over the next few hours. Look at all the hot spots right now. You can see right here, this is Malibu Beach, all right? So you've got all the hot spots that are still going on. That's Santa Monica. That's Brentwood Heights at this point. You can see up towards Sylvia Park. All these regions right now, those are all the hot spots that everybody's trying to fight at this point, mostly off to the west side of the 405. So we're watching those regions that are just absolutely been devastated, no question about it. All right, Fox weather correspondent Brandy Campbell.
I also have it to where I can extend it and put it on a pole. But you just pull it, it disconnects. You disconnect it right here. Waterproof connection.
For the fire departments.
Okay, yeah, that's a good perspective. What a sight to see along that beautiful stretch. Meteorologist Marissa Torres.
Amazing reporting from Marissa on the ground there. Just want to add, the LA County Public Works Director right now is reporting that the road system is impacted heavily throughout the county. So note that when you have to think about rescue vehicles getting in, recovery efforts when they happen. A lot of these roads are destroyed. They're reporting poor water quality right now, and they're warning anybody who is in the vicinity about debris. It is dangerous and it is toxic in some cases, to just please be careful.
Okay, so here's what I got. StarLink. I can turn it on with this, even with the car off. I ran that through here. I ran it through here. That came out right here. And I have as a breaker for it. That way if somehow water gets intruded, it will cut itself off. But I'm making a quick disconnect like I have up here. I have a quick disconnect here. And what I can do with that is I can add it to this for a backup. So I just gotta screw it on there, watertight. So I have this, so if we're out and about, I can also add this to extend it. So if we're camped out, I can put it on a tripod. And I got this to charge. Pack up. I gotta run wires. It's too cold out, but we're getting there.